Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So, what I'm currently doing is I'm in depth in the repairs of my Bolex cameras. At least I know what's going on with them. All I gotta do is replace the parts and we're just fine. Some repairs are a bit more in depth than others, but still I know what's going on. We have time, that's why I planned for 2023 for us to start a filming, and that's why you plan ahead with these sort of things. Alright? So that's essentially what's going on there. I'm resting my mind on other subjects of filmmaking, such as the script, and sometimes I'm going back and enjoying some of the classic films that I grew up on, and that type of a thing. You have to take a break from some of this and pay attention to your family and enjoy some of the aspects of life, other than just filmmaking all the time. That's not what I always do. And take a break from it, think about it, and then go back to it. Alright? Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel. And the Morbid Team Entertainment group, Barter, Buy, and Sell. And put a like on our page. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.